Olivia, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys are going to be just watching a productive day with me. Try to make this day as best as possible because my winter break is nearly over and there's still loads of things that I have to do and I need to do. So I'm just going to be spending this day being really productive. So now I'm gonna go through my closet, which is like outside opposite my room, that I've been wanting to sort out for so many weeks now because there's so many clothes in there that I don't use and I honestly don't even know what kind of clothes I have in there. So I'm gonna sort them out. I'm gonna make a pile to keep, a pile that I'm gonna give to like family, friends, or relatives, or just friends if they want any of them, and then a pile for donation, maybe for like an orphanage or a children's home. So I finished all of my sorting. This pile is for me to keep, which is quite a lot of clothes. This pile is for donation, and then this pile over here is for like family or some of my mom's friends or just any relatives. I got everything in here sorted out. So currently it is 5:40 and I've finished everything that I had planned for today. I think it was a pretty productive day, a lot better than I expected, and I got a lot of things done that I've pretty much just been, pushing out of the way. I worked out, I sorted some clothes, I read, I practiced my Spanish. It was overall a really good day. I got so many things done all in one day. Obviously I took some breaks, but it was pretty good. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!